everyone. Okay, so it is officially time to start Ruthie's birthday door. She is asleep. I'm actually sitting in my hallway right now. That's all beverage because it takes some time. So what I'm doing is something that we have done in my family since I was a little girl, and this is my first year doing it because she wouldn't remember basically before now. So she's turning 3 if you didn't already know, and if you are new to my channel, Ruthie is my daughter. She is my firstborn daughter, and she is 3 years old today. Well, tomorrow, and I am doing something called a birthday door. So basically I decorate the door and I put like little presents and treats and decorations and balloons, and I have some other little things for her, and you can basically decorate the whole hallway. And I probably will do that later on as she gets bigger and older and can kind of appreciate like a big hallway filled with birthday stuff. But this is the very first year, so I figured I would show you guys. Here's her door. She's asleep. I'll show you guys how to do a birthday door. So let's get started. So the first things I need to do is, so I have this, I did a haul of everything that's gonna be on her door. I did add a couple of things. I added this little bath bomb. She loves baths, and this cute little princess bath bomb. So I also got this little cup, and it's got like an Olaf, and then it's got Anna and Elsa, and it's just really cute. I just thought it was really cute. And then I got this wrapping paper. She actually picked it out. She didn't know she was picking it out for her door, but she was. And then I think that's it. I threw in a couple of like little candies and stuff. But let's get started on blowing up some of these, these decorations. So we'll blow up some balloons and put some streamers, and let's get this birthday door started. First thing I'm gonna do is wrap her door, basically like a present, with this wrapping paper. I forgot tape. But I remembered scissors. If you know anything about me, I always forget scissors. What is all